Hello everyone, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. I wanted to do this quick tutorial for you guys so you can see how I do my ponytails whenever I don't have like a protective style or something, braids or something like that. I will just do a ponytail. It's my basic go-to style. But I just wanted to show you guys how to do that, and some of the products that I'm using are the Kaleidoscope hair products. I'll leave all the links below so you guys can check them out if you want to. I'm using their Miracle Drops and their Sleek Edge Control. So yeah, if you guys have any questions or comments, leave them, and thank you again so much for tuning in.
J.E. on the button.